From royal palaces to billionaire skyscrapers, today we'll explore the 5 most expensive houses in the world. You won't believe how much they cost. At number 5 is Les Palais Bulles, or the Bubble Palace. This €390 million masterpiece overlooks the Mediterranean and hosts film festival parties every year. Number 4, the one in Bel-Air. Built for billionaires, this modern mansion has 21 bedrooms, a nightclub, and panoramic LA views. Valued at around $500 million. Coming in at 3, Villa Leopolda, the French Riviera icon worth $750 million. Once owned by kings, now it's one of Europe's most exclusive estates. At number 2, Antilia, home to billionaire Mukesh Ambani. It's a 27-story skyscraper mansion costing over $2 billion, featuring a snow room and 3 helipads. And the number 1 most expensive home in the world, Buckingham Palace. Worth over $4.9 billion, this royal residence is truly priceless. Which one would you live in if money wasn't an issue? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.